are doing a new install. We are installing these side skirts. They are just literally finished painting them and we're gonna install them. So we already got the side skirt on. Check that out. I think this makes it look, or appear, lower in a sense. But yeah, we just drilled it on, all those tabs under. And so now we're about to put the wheels back on. At the car wash so that way y'all guys can see the side skirts a little bit better. Here's how it looks. I think it makes the car slightly a little bit lower and it matches the level with the lips, so I think it looks a lot better, bruh. But if you get up close, not gonna lie, I didn't do a great job at painting it, but it is what it is. But there y'all guys go. Now all we're missing is the diffuser left, and then it will even out all the aero. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.